Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Rashtriya Military School Dholpur, National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, Sikkim University, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, National Institute of Wind Energy, National Medicinal Plants Board, Research Center Imarat, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Security Printing Press Hyderabad, Tariff Authority for Major Ports and Employment Provident Fund Organization. Rashtriya Military School Dholpur invites applications from eligible candidates for the post as indicated below. Application form duly completed in all respect along with all requisite documents duly attested by a gazetted officer should reach the principal Rashtriya Military School Dholpur, Rajasthan within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. One post of librarian, one post of hostel superintendent, one post of lab assistant science, two posts of cooks, one post of MTS peon, one post of MTS watchman, three posts of MTS safaiwala, and one post of masalchi. The crucial date for determining the age limit will be the closing date for receipt of application from the candidate will be 60 days from the date of publication and 67 days for candidates in Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Ladakh subdivision of Jammu and Kashmir State, Lahaul and Spiti district of Pangi subdivision of Himachal Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News. National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, an autonomous institution under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India, invites online applications in the prescribed format for recruitment of faculty in various departments. 2 posts of professor, 3 posts of associate professor and 1 post of assistant professor. For more details of departments, specializations, qualifications, number of vacancies, etc., please visit National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management website www.niftem.ac.in. Last date of receipt of applications is 15th April 2021. Sikkim University, a central university established by an Act of Parliament in 2007, invites applications from Indian citizens having requisite qualification and experience for the various teaching positions. Detailed rolling advertisement is given at the university website. This is a rolling advertisement, therefore there is no last date. Interested candidates may submit the online application available at the university website www.cus.ac.in. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change invites applications from willing persons for 1 post of consultant, project management and modeling, 1 post of consultant, geospatial data and modeling, and 1 post of consultant, integrated assessment and modeling on contract basis initially for a period of 12 months. Willing persons who meet the criteria may submit their application latest by 9th April 2021. For details regarding eligibility, job requirement and terms and conditions, prescribed format for submitting applications, please visit the ministry website www.moef.gov.in. Applications are invited for filling up 1 post of Director Administration by deputation or absorption or re-employment of ex-servicemen basis in Central Groundwater Board, a subordinate office of the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, Government of India. Applications in duplicate in the prescribed proforma through proper channels should reach the concerned person within 60 days of the date of publication. National Institute of Wind Energy is the technical arm of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Government of India in the field of wind energy. Applications are invited for 1 post of Additional Director, Finance and Administration on deputation basis. Last date of receipt of application is 21 days from the date of publication in Employment News. For further details of employment notification, application format, terms and conditions, etc., please visit the website niwe.res.in. National Medicinal Plants Board, Ministry of Ayush in its applications for one post of finance and administrative officer on deputation basis. For eligibility and other terms and conditions, please visit the website www.nmpb.nic.in. Applications should reach the concerned authority within 6 weeks from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Research Center Imarat RCI Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Missile Complex Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO, Ministry of Defence, Government of India invites online applications from young and meritorious individuals of Indian nationals who are having inclination towards research for 19 posts of Junior Research Fellowships JRF on temporary basis initially for a period of 2 years, and one post of Research Associate RA for a period of 2 years. Last date for submission of online application for JRF and RA is 24th March 2021. For terms and conditions, further details, updates and to apply online, please refer to the website rcilab.in. Applications are invited from eligible and willing officers under the central or state governments or union territory administrations to fill up the post of accountant in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs by appointment of suitable officer under central. It is requested that application of eligible and willing officers whose services could be spared immediately on selection may be forwarded through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this circular in Employment News. Security Printing Press Hyderabad, a unit of Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, invites online applications from eligible candidates for filling up various posts. 5 posts of Supervisor Printing, 3 posts of Supervisor Technical Control, 2 posts of Supervisor IT, 1 post of Supervisor OL, and 1 post of Junior Office Assistant Hindi. Website link for applying for online applications is open till 10th April 2021. For complete details, please visit the website spphyderabad.spncil.com. Tariff Authority for Major Ports, a statutory body under the administrative control of Ministry of Shipping, Government of India, invites application for filling up 1 post of Assistant Director IT on transfer on deputation basis. For more details, please visit the website www.tariffauthority.gov.in. Last date of receipt of application is 21 days from the date of publication of the vacancy in Weekly Employment News. Employees Provident Fund Organization, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India invites applications from eligible candidates to fill up the following post on deputation basis. 1 post of Chief Information Security Officer, 1 post of Chief Technology Officer, 6 posts of Joint Director, 12 posts of Deputy Director and 24 posts of Assistant Director. For complete details in relation to number of vacancies, age, experience, particulars of pay, eligibility criteria, checklist for application and last date of application, etc., the official website may be visited by following the link www.epfindia.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.